Knock, knock. Who's there? IFAK. IFAK who? Not IFAK who? IFAK what? Individual First Aid Trauma Kit. This kit was compiled by the team at Multidimensional Warriors. And this is a first line trauma kit designed to stop someone bleeding out. It's simple, easy to use, and super effective. And we've got to ask ourselves, guys, what's in the kit? Well, I put a list over here of the components of the kit. The price of the kit is 672 Rand. If we look at the bottom of the screen, that's our website. Now click on our website, you can order the kit or you can find out more about the kit. Now, let's quickly go through what's in the kit. This is my kit. Same thing that's in here is in that kit. I've just packed it in a way that I can find it easy when I'm in a hurry. So, first pocket, let's see what I'm going to try and get to first. In the kit, 2 nitrile gloves, 2 heavy-duty nitrile gloves. Great. Why 2? 1 for me, and maybe 1 for somebody that's helping me deal with any issues. Right. Next, tourniquet. Critical if someone has a limb wound and they're bleeding profusely. What I do is I make sure that the packet of my tourniquet is cut and that I've set it up in such a fashion that it's really easy and quick for me to slip it over a limb and start getting it working. Tourniquet. What's the next thing I'm going to be probably looking for? Well, if he has an injury to the chest, I might be looking for a chest seal. This is a great product. It helps seal the chest off so that he doesn't draw air in from the outside, other than his mouth. It has this little plastic seal on this really crazy sticky stuff that holds it in place. South African design product, I think one of the best products out there. Excellent. What next? Trauma shears. Now these little guys, they cut like little velociraptors. But very, very cleverly, they're designed with this little safety lip so that if you are cutting off somebody's clothes, you're not going to stab them at the same time, make them bleed faster. Alright, the rest of the bag. Let's see what we got here. Compression bandage. Okay? Designed in South Africa. It's really easy. It's self-adhesive. It sticks to itself. It's instinctive and intuitive to use. So a great advantage if you're trying to get pressure onto wounds in awkward places. Yeah. What else have I got in here? Let me stick my hand in now. The next thing I might be looking for are trauma gauzes. And there's a whole bunch of them in the kit. Stick my hand in and grab them. What do I use these for? Packing wounds. Big hole in the body, pack that wound. The other thing that it might be used for is sorting out juncture wounds. Have a look at this little diagram here. Those are the junctures, can be quite difficult to get to. Alright, gauzes. What else? Duct tape. Guys, never leave home without duct tape. This little duct tape here, I put a tab on it. It helps me secure those dressings and maybe even put more pressure on the dressing. What else have I got in here? Space blanket. Guys, why a space blanket? Well, it's a great insulation barrier between your patient or yourself and the ground. It also helps you manage body temperature once you've managed to stop all the bleeding and plug all the holes. And it makes you highly visible. You can use this so maybe rescuers can find you. Maybe you don't get hit by a car if you're stuck on a road. Guys, that's my trauma kit. Whenever I go and instruct people on the shooting range or go to outdoor pursuits, it goes with me. So, get a kit, get training, and stay safe out there.